1, 2. Hello. Mic check 1, 2. Let's go. Let's go. Mic check 1, 2. Mic check 1, 2. Mic check 1, 2. Mic 2, mic 2, 1. Mic check 1, 2. Let's go. Let's go, baby. I'm alive. I'm alive, I tell ya. I'm alive. All right. We got some critters here, I tell ya. Oh my, we got some critters here, I tell ya. We got some critters here. What happened? Bada bingo! Oh, don't trump in my game lagged. Doubles my freaking game lag, bro. No, are you serious? Yo, just Fortnite. No. Fix your game, bro. Fix your game, bro. Fortnite. I almost had a dub for the community. Fix your game, Fortnite. I had a dub for the community. Bro. Nah. Bro, I just got robbed again.
Ain't no way.
Bro, did you see that?
Crash out.
Oh, man, bro. Come on now.
You better than me, I would have crashed
Oh,
out.
man. Are we still live on stream?
We are still live on the stream.
The streamer. I don't know, bro.
Better than me, I would have crashed out.
I don't know, bro.
Been like, we ain't playing Fortnite today.
Doubles, I might as well do the intro because I'm really annoyed right now. Fortnite, you got to do better than that, bro. Bruh. You got to do better than that, Fortnite. That was my dub to be had, bro. I'm just saying, bro. Doubles, did you see what happened? I lasered that guy. You saw that?
I saw
and I'm messing with new.
She became confetti.
I'm using different scents and everything. I changed everything, so this is like all new. And I was still lasering people.
I would have crashed out right there.
Bruh.
We're playing something different.
Bruh. All right, let's do the intro, bro. Let's do the intro, Doubles. Yo, what's up? It's Coach Nick Money in the house. I'm pissed off. But better to be pissed off than pissed on unless you're into that type of stuff. I'm just saying, bruh. Come on, bruh.
Ain't no way.
Come on, bruh.
Ain't no way.
I'm trying to make light of everything. I'm annoyed right now. I'm heated. Yo, that was my dub. I was going to get that for the community, bruh. A good way to start the day, man. You know what I'm saying? Anyway. Yo, what's up? It's Coach Nick Money in the house with the one and only, the indelible one, DBL Nicks. In the house. A.K.A. The Rainmaker, baby. That's right. And I got the Serengeti specialist, the ABCD specialist, the one and only, bringing all the Parabolics, bouncing around with a little bushy tail, the one and only DBL Moms. All right, we're still going to have a good time. I don't mind, I don't mind. Let's hear the share party going on. Let's get to the first 100 folks. We'll talk about some stonks right now because I got to I'm heated, bro. I'm annoyed at Fortnite right now. I was actually enjoying the season except for the fact that it keeps crashing on me. This is like the third crash in 3 days. What the heck, yo? Hey, yo, what's up? What's up with that? So let's.
Epic Games. I'd be like, Epic, we gotta fight now.
You gotta fix your things.
You gotta fix your game, but first things first, we gotta fight now.
So watch this. Watch this, Doubles. Watch this. So so check this out. If you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and subscribe to @CoachNickMoney. @CoachNickMoney. And of course, you want to also follow us on X.com. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Financial news available for you. Pre-market, regular hours, and after hours. We got you covered. Micro caps and small caps. Everything that has to do with it. Whether it's technical analysis, whether it's press releases, whether it's filings, you got it. Go ahead and follow us on X.com, aka Twitter, at Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and Threads at Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money.
And we live stream on Twitch as well at Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money.
And you got to have TikTok. So we got TikTok at DBL Nicks.
At DBL Nicks.
At DBL NICKS. And the screen name is Coach Nick Money. And of course, you're seeing the show Power Play, which is a combination of some fun decompressing from the morning trading and getting ready for Power Hour. That's the power portion of it. So the play portion of it is we get dubs for the Indelible Tribe community by getting dubs in Fortnite. That's the play portion of it. And we let the stonks simmer on high heat. They simmer on high heat, doubles. They simmer on high heat. You know what I mean? And they get themselves ready for Power Hour. Power Hour, which is at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And for those of you that are new to trading, that's basically when volume comes back into the market. So most of the volume is usually in the morning when doubles and the Serengeti specialists are doing the market microcap morning show. Make sure you got yourselves notifications set up for microcap mornings at 8:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Fridays, and join the Serengeti specialists and the star of the show, the one, the only, DBL Nicks in the house, the Rainmaker, as they pursue and capture all the parabolic plays pre-market going into Power Hour. Nobody does it better than the dynamic duo of the Rainmaker and the Serengeti specialist with her bushy tail in the high weeds and the high seas and all that other stuff that Doubles talks about. You know what I'm talking about. You guys watch the show. You know what's up. So go ahead and get those notifications set up for YouTube at Coach Nick Money. And of course, you're looking at the screen right now, and obviously there's the chart that we're going to do some technical analysis on. Underneath is the screen for the Fortnite gameplay, where we dedicate all the games to our Indelible Tribe. And to the left, we give you access to our custom-made scanner. This is one of many custom-made scanners that we have in our Discord community, and we're offering a 4-day trial for that community for $9.99. Go ahead and check it out. The link is in the description and in the pinned comment. You will not only have access to this scanner, but you will also have access to the breakout scanner, as well as all the search features regarding the news, the filings, and much, much more. And of course, the crowd favorite, Doubles. You know what the crowd favorite is, right? Crowd favorite is the early watch list that we put out every single evening at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time during after hours for the next day. And there's almost always a 1, 2, 3, or 4 parabolic runners that we have on our watch list that go and run parabolic the next day. So that's what's going on. Go ahead and take advantage of that 4-day trial. And let's get right into some technical analysis. Let's get some share parties going on. We're almost at 100, folks. Let's share it up, and as soon as we get some more people in here, Doubles, I think we'll start going through some technical analysis of the market movers, Doubles, the market movers. Meanwhile, you know that I'm not high energy without my coffee. And I'm not. I mean, my energy level is very low, very low. I'm not hyper. I'm not. Okay? So I'm going to have some coffee to get myself hyped up, yo.
Hyped up.
A little bit of that Colombian roast thing going on right there. Oh, my goodness. It's so good. So good. All right, let's go with TGL. Let's check out TGL. Let's get a share party going on. We're looking at TGL. TGL is a 12 million float stock, moving on very light volume at 10 million. It's currently $18 and change. It's up 167%, but it pulled back, and it's a little bit more expensive than I'd like. You know what I mean? But let's take a look at it, see what's going on, and it's clear at this point that it has formed a head and a shoulders pattern, a head and shoulders pattern, which is a bear pattern, which could signify a significant pullback. Hopefully that's not the case. Hopefully some volume will come in and we'll see a descending wedge bull reversal pattern. But right now, that's what we have. The price action is just below the 9 EMA. The 9 EMA is stacked above the VWAP, so that's a bullish signal. But this looks like a head and shoulders pattern. So what we really want to see happen right now is we want to see this downtrend break. If the downtrend does not break, we're going to probably have a flusheroonie, Doubles. That's a term of art, my friend, a flusheroonie. Yeah, we don't like flusheroonies, and the RSI is signaling that it's moving downward. It's moving downward. Where's my volume, man? Where's my volume indicator? I want my volume indicator. Let me put it in here. Where's the volume? Volume, I tell you, volume. I need it. I need it. I want it. I want my volume. Blah, blah, blah. All right, if you have any questions, put it in the chat. Put it in the chat. We're here for you. We're here for you, doubles. Yeah. All right, so we need to see this downtrend broke. The price action is above VWAP, but it's not above the 90 MA. But the 90 MA is stacked above the VWAP, which is a bullish type of a signal. But the chart pattern is showing a head and shoulders pattern, and that's kind of problematic. We still have some degree of volume, but again, there is that lull until we get to power hour and into power hour itself. So right now it's 1:40. We still have an hour and 20 minutes before power hour comes in, and we'll see what happens with TGL. I'm not sure if this is a China stock or not. I'm not sure. China, but I will tell you that it's moving on low volume, so that's always disconcerting to me. I don't like low volume movers. Let's go check out SMX, ladies and gentlemen. SMX. Now, this stonk right here has been a monstrosity, doubles. It went up to $489 today. It's been running for days. I remember when it was a wee lad. It was a wee lad. And it was like $3 and change, $5 and change, $3.90 on November 21st. Yeah, our scanners caught it. That's right. Our scanners caught it at $5 and change as it started to march its way up, and it repeatedly caught this move dramatically. So that's why we spent a lot of money on custom scanners that look at different angles. They look at the market movers, and they also look at the breakout. So we have the breakout scanners, which look for moves that actually start happening like this, and then of course there's many other things that we have in the Discord. So make sure you go ahead and give it a shot, check it out, see if it's for you. It should be, quite frankly. And if you need help with any of it, let us know, because obviously sometimes when you're new it's a little overwhelming. So we're there for you. You let us know, we help you out. That's how it rolls. That's how we roll. Okay, so anyway, on November 21, this stock was $3.90. It just hit a high of $4.89 and now has pulled back. It's been moving on very light volume, but it has been moving quite aggressively. Right now, the RSI is closer to the oversold area. You can see that it formed a double top, and it is quite pricey, but I did want to point this stock out because it is the leading gainer right now, and it has been making noise now for several weeks, quite frankly, right, since the 21st. So what is that? In 9 days in November, and another 5, so 2 weeks it's been moving up like crazy, right? And our scanners have been going berserk on it. Berserker. It's a little too pricey for me right now, but it is a 1 million float stock, and it has moved on 4 million volume, which is quite impressive considering the stock is $300 now, right? $302. WHLR. This stock right here has dilution issues, but it also has parabolic runs, and it had a parabolic run today. Currently, it's up 78%. It's a $5.79 stock. It's a low floater, 637,000 shares, so it's less than a million float. That's really low. Let's get a share party. We're at 100. Let's get to 200 as we analyze these stonkosauruses. Let's analyze them, doubles. What do you think? Let's analyze them. And I want to say something also to the Indelible Tribe. Listen, I'm changing my sensitivities and my DPI on my mouse, so I might be a little shangata with the gameplay a little bit, although I'm still rocking it, bro.
I mean, you almost got a dub.
I would have had a dub. Bro, I would have had a dub. The game froze, man. I was, there were 3 people left. I eliminated the second one, and I was going for the first one. Wait, does that make sense? The third one, and I was going for the second one. Right, and then the game froze. Thank you very much, Epic. Thank you. You ruined my stream. I'll never be the same again. Nah, I'm fine. I'm good, bro. I'm good. No problem. I'm just gonna get another dub. No matter what. What I found out is I had my sensitivity too high, doubles. You know? But I spoke to a friend of mine who's a pro. And he told me, yo, your sensors are too high, bruh. Bruh, your sensors are too high, bruh. So I lowered my sensors, and I lowered my DPI, doubles. So I got to get used to that. I'm not used to that. Actually, I raised my DPI. I didn't lower the DPI. I raised the DPI. I lowered the sense. And when I raised the DPI, I had to actually lower other components like my scope aiming. I had to lower it, which I'm going to test that out. I might have to lower it some more. We'll see. We'll see. Anyway, this is like some Fortnite gobbledygook stuff that these folks are not necessarily interested in. So anyway, WHLR has a history of bumping and dumping, and you can see that it's doing that right now. The price action is below VWAP by a little bit. VWAP is at around $6. The price action is at around $5.80. RSI is neutral. Obviously, volume is dipping as we get further and further away from the morning session. But of course, we expect volume in the overall market to come back on at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we're hoping for that. But what we got right now, Doubles, with WHLR, is it looks like it could potentially be a bull pennant, right? So it needs to stay above the lower part of the bull pennant. You know what I mean? And it needs to break the upper part. And of course, there's going to be significant resistance. Let's get that graffiti pencil activated at around $6 right there. That's where the VWAP is, baby. The VWAP. Yo, Burger King should be paying us because we keep talking about the Whopper, bro. Yo, McDonald's. Let's get a bidding war. Yo, Mickey D. I could always say the MacD, baby. The MacD. The McDonald's. You know what I'm saying? In fact, I could take care of both of y'all. No problem. Why not share? ¿Por qué no los dos, baby? Why not? Why not? Perhaps, baby. Perhaps. Come on, Mickey D's. Call me. Yo, Burger King. McDonald's just call me, yo. I'm just saying, I don't want to say nothing, but you know, VWAPA. Yo, McDonald's, Whopper King called me, bro. I've been saying VWAPA, bro. You know, I could do the MacD, baby. Come on now, Mackie D. Why not? Why not, bro? I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Anyway, we got a bull pennant over here, possibly. All right, but the price has to get above VWAP. Let me get a little coffee. All right, let's take a look at we looked at TGL, right? Let's look at it again. TGL. Right, this is the fella that did a head and shoulders type of situation over here. So we're a little concerned that it might do a dipperoonie, right? So we'll see what happens with this one. I don't know. GURE ran a little bit earlier in the morning, but then it sold off. It almost round tripped. It's below VWAP. Not schmicks at all. It needs to break this downward trend. So let's go ahead and get a graffiti pencil activated over here. Graffiti. Look at that. It's got to break that, and then you got yourself a VWAP situation at around $11.17. So, IRBT, iRobot, bro. iRobot started running like a Dickens a couple of days ago when Donnie Boy over there in the White House started talking about dropping some Benjamins on robotics in 2026. This one and KITT, those two started going bananas, right? Bananas. So this one ran quite a bit this morning. Let's go and refresh the chart and get the iRobot chart up. Let's get it on. Let's get it up. Here we go. Right there. iRobot. Isn't that the Roomba thing? I don't know. iRobot. No, it's not Roomba, is it? I don't know. Anyway, anywho. All right, it's still up 42%. It pulled back. It formed somewhat of a pennant. You could see that the 9 EMA and the VWAP are very tightly stacked right next to each other, right? So volume love could make it very happy. I don't know. It could be happy, joy. You never know. It needs volume love, though. A little bit of vitamin V. Why not? Why not, Doubles? Why not? Vitamin V never hurt nobody, bro. Never hurt nobody. Volume never hurt nobody. I'm just saying. Never hurt nobody. It is a 22 million float stock, so it's on the heavier side, but it had 122 million in volume. So you got a lot of volume over there, Doubles. You got a lot of it, like 5 times the volume. Not bad for a little thick stock like iRobot, right? And it's been moving for a couple of days. I mean, look at what it looked like a few days back, right? Look at where it's at now. Right, it had a previous high of 370. You had a high over here today of almost $5. $5. Why not? Why not? DBL moms. Why not? Why not? All right. So that's iRobot. Let's take a look at LICN. Let's check it out. Okay. I don't like the way this looks, Doubles. Linchin International. Is this a China stock, Doubles? I don't know. It's a 16 million float stock with only 451,000 shares, so I don't like that. But it's up 33%. I mean, I guess you could say it's got a little bit of a cup and handle type of scenario here, but it's moving on light volume. So for me, meh. Again, do your own due diligence, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not giving you stock advice. It's just a show. See what it says on the screen? Not financial or stock advice. It's just a show, baby. Hey now. Woo, I'm schmexy, yo. I'm schmexy, and I know it. What was that guy who sang that song, bro? The guy with the really bushy hair? What was that? I'm schmexy, and I know it. Dun, 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 dun. And I wear my sunglasses at night. What about that guy? I wear my sunglasses at night. Well, no. And what about the other guy that talked about? I wear my shirt. What was the one about the shirt? The shirt. What was that one about? Sunglasses at night. My shirt. Huh? What is it? Do you know the song I'm talking about? Was that the one with I wear my sunglasses at night? The one about the shirt?
Oh no. That's the catwalk.
Tell me how that one goes. How does that one go? I got it in my mind right now. The catwalk thing. Come on now. I'm too sexy for my shirt. Yeah. I'm too sexy for. Ready for this? I'm gonna mix it up a little bit with some stonks. Ready? Watch this, ladies and gentlemen. I'm too sexy for my bull pennant. Too sexy for my bull pennant. Too sexy for my bull pennant, baby. Break out. Forget about my shirt. I like bull pennants. Actually, you know what I like? I like ABCDs because the Serengeti specialist got a bushy tail and she captures them. She uses the bushy tail to spring off the ground and snarl the ABCDs for the indelible tribe. You know that, right? All right, let's get a share party. I'm just being silly right now. TDIC. Come on. Get up there. This sock. I made some money with this earlier, you know? I traded this fella earlier. I traded it earlier, but then it kind of faded away. So right now it don't look too schmexy. It formed that top tail doubles. And you know the aversions? What is it? Aversion? Aversion I have. Aversion I have to top tails. I don't like top tails doubles. So this thing sold off. I'm into all things bottom, bro. Bottom tails, bro. Bottom double bottoms, bottom tails, you know what I'm saying? So this thing needs to break this downtrend. It don't look particularly schmexy to me. Wait a minute, let's get rid of that. Why is it an arrow? I don't want it to be an arrow. I just want a regular, that's what I want right there. Oh, dude, I just found something cool though. This has like a directional. Look at that. So if something is moving upward, we could put like an arrow, like an arrow, straight as an arrow. You know what I mean? Doubles. Oh, right. Very nice. But anyway, this particular stock, TDIC up 32%. It's a 9 million float stock. It has 99 million in volume, right? But it just sold off too much, right? And it's an inexpensive stock, 37 cents. But, you know, it had its moment in the sun pre-market, and then it kind of sold off. So you got to do better than that, yo. You got to do better than that. Hey, LMS, let's check it out. Hey, LMS, let's get a share party going on. Doubles. Check it out. I get to use the arrow, bro. Watch this. Bada binga. Check it out. Doubles. Bada binga. Right there. Right there, doubles. Why not? Okay, so ALMS moving up 32%. You could see that the float is on the heavier side at 30 million. Volume is only 3 million. So it's moving on very light volume. RSI is bullish, but certainly moving into the area of being overbought. There is a volume spike that happened. You could see that there's quite a bit of an extension between the 9 EMA and the VWAP. Even though the 9 EMA is nicely stacked with the VWAP, we could see that there's quite a bit of an extension. So if the stacking was much tighter like this, that could signify a breakout, which is exactly what happened over here. But when you start getting further and further apart, look at what happens to the price action. Instead of having that upward movement, you start to peak out as if the wave is starting to crash, right? And you could actually see that it's starting to turn. So right now, it needs to hold this trend line to remain valid. But we are going into a low volume time of the day, right? So Hopefully volume will keep it up, but most likely than not, it's going to probably have some difficulty staying above this trend line unless for some reason these volume candles start to flare up. And most likely than not, this could very well start coming down towards VWAP. So the question is, will it hold at VWAP and bounce? Will it continue in this upward trajectory? Which I don't think so, but there's no way of knowing. Ladies and gentlemen, this is just speculation based on the evidence that we're looking at. We're doing some deductive reasoning, but it is still bullish. It is still bullish. Heavy floated stock, low volume. That's never a good thing in my eyes. I don't like that. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. But let's take a look at Toro, Toro. All right, so the company reported a year-over-year increase in Q3 results and declared a special dividend of $1.75. All right, so here's the deal. It's an 11 million float stock on the higher side, not redonkulous, but on the higher side. But here's the thing, not a lot of volume, 12 million. That's always a problem. We could see that the volume was mostly in the morning. It's been consistently going down. Understandable that it would go down right about now because, again, we still have quite a bit of time before power hour kicks in. But it looks like it potentially, if I crunch it up a little bit, it looks potentially as if it could be forming something that we don't like, doubles. You know what that is, right? A double top. I don't like it. I don't want double tops. I want double bottoms. And if you give me a bottom tail, yo, we're friends for life, baby. Let's go. I ride or die with y'all. If you give me double bottoms with a bottom tail, baby, let's go. And it's got to be green, though. It's got to be green like my M&Ms. I'm just saying. Green like the M&Ms. So this looks like it potentially could drop because of the double top. Now, the good news is the 9 EMA is stacked above the VWAP. The bad news is the 9 EMA is pointing downward as if it's going to pierce underneath the VWAP, and the RSI is moving downward towards oversold. So you got a bunch of evidence that would suggest that this stock is going to pull back, hopefully not too far below the VWAP if that in fact happens. Hopefully it stays above the VWAP. We will see, doubles. GUR, let's take a look at it. Let's get a share party going on. Let's get to 300, 400. Share it up, doubles. GURE. GURE, Gulf Resources, currently up 89%. But you see what happened to it, right? It popped and it dropped, and it's below the VWAP. So right now, you got to do better than that, GURE. You got to do better than that. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Don't disrespect the indelible tribe like that. How dare you? IRBT. IRBT. I take it personal, doubles. No. Look, the pennant is not working out here. The price action went below the VWAP. No. Let's extend the pennant and try to be positive about this fella. Come on, IRBT. Do better than that. Do better than that. How about TGL? TGL. Treasure Global. No, baby. No. All right. I mean, it's moving up ever so slightly, but it really needs to move up much more than that. It's still quite bearish. You know what? Let me get rid of these head and... We know it's a head and shoulders. We know that, right? So it's got to break this downtrend. That's the bottom line. And it's got to break it with authority. The 9 EMA is above the VWAP, but you could see it's pointing downward. RSI dropping downward. Volume dropping downward. So the question is, will this price action make it above the VWAP? The price action itself is below VWAP and below the 9 EMA. So what's going to end up happening is if it keeps losing volume, the speed of the drop on the 9 EMA is going to increase and it'll cross underneath the VWAP. So that could cause a momentum shift that could potentially cause that flush that we're concerned of because of the head and shoulders pattern that exists here. Let me see if I can put a circle on this fella. Is there a way to put a circle on it? Let me get a shape. Can I get, you know what? I'll do it this way. Why not? Doubles. Watch this, bro. Oh, look, it got a circle. Look at that. It's a circle.
A circle.
Look at the circle.
A circle.
Look, I put a circle over there. Look. Look at the circle. Look at the circle.
The circle.
Can I make it smaller? Can I bring it down a little bit, bro? Can I bring it down? What the heck? Come on, bro. So anyway, this looks like a head and shoulders pattern to me. You know, it's a higher price stock also. It's like $18 and change. So anyway, that's the story with this particular ticker, TGL, currently up 169%. SMG, expensive, also up quite a bit, 105%, but it double topped. We don't like double tops. I keep saying this, and we know that IRBT is not looking particularly schmexy, so we're not going to look at that one. Let's take a look at LICN. LICN, cup and handle, but it has very low volume, so I don't know. There's nothing that's really like tickling my fancy per se. How about WHLR? WHLR sounds like a radio station. That's another bullpen in doubles, but it's got to get above the VWAP. So we'll keep an eye on this one. I mean, there's nothing here that's really making me feel, you know, like, I don't know. You know, I want to feel special. You know, I want to be this. I want to be the special. I want to be the special. You know what I mean? And none of these charts are making me feel special, so I'm kind of upsetty spaghetti for the indelible tribe. But we'll find something. We always find something. Let's get a share party. Let's get over 420 for the memes. Come on now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. And let's get a dub for the community. Let's let these stonks simmer a little bit. They're raw, bro. I took a bite out of them. Man, I almost broke my tooth. They're raw, y'all. They're raw. DBL moms, they're still raw, doubles. DBL moms, they're raw. They got to get cooked. I'm just saying. They got to mature a little bit, you know? They picked them too soon. Time for some coffee. Doubles, time for coffee. Let's get a share party in Doubles. Come on now. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Man, I gotta really work on different weapons now because I changed everything, dude. I need a scoped weapon so I could see what's going on with this sense, but I can't seem to find anything. How about this SMG? Why don't we go for that? And of course, everything is shaking. Not bad, bro. Not bad, bro. But I gotta try it on a sniper. Ooh! 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 Why not? Why not? Doubles, why not? Yeah. All right, let's do this, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Man, I can't find a major scoped weapon. What is going on? All right, Doubles, where should I go, bro? How about we go over here? Why not? Why not? It's going to be a little crazy, but why not? Let's go. Why not? Why not? All right, here we go. TGL moving up ever so slightly. 174%. WHLR 75%. TDIC 34%. 34%. Doubles, troubles. ALMS 30%. PRAX new on the scanner. Up 30%. 25 million float. Heavy. Volume low. 2 million. 2 million, I tell you. Blah, blah, blah. I want to suck your blood. Blah, blah, blah. Vampire. Oh my, what's going on over here? What's going on here, fella? Somebody's definitely here, bro. I'm gonna get this guy right here. Come on now. Let's go. Is he here? Where is he? Ooh, a shot of gun now. Where's he at, bro? Oh, I can't believe I jumped like that. Where is he, bro? Bada bingo! Wee! Sewage, baby! Come on now! Can't mess with the coach. Come on now! What's wrong with y'all? What is wrong with y'all? Come on, fellas! Huh. Doubles. What happened? What happened? Let's get that share party going on. Let's go. Share it up. Doubles! Oh my migration. Oh, migration, bro. All right, what do we got? Ooh, why is that? Ooh, look at all that. Doubles. I need some juicy juice, bro. I need some juicy juicy. Lucy juicy. Oh my, look at that, Doubles. Doubles, troubles. Yo, you're funny, bro. Oh, migration. Look at that, bro. Oh, my. Give me some minis. Can I have some minis? Mini, 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 mini. 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 Mini, 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 mini. I gotta go get myself some loot over here, bruh. Why not? Why not? Why not? Oh, dude, look at that. Look, the sword is over there, bro. Yeah, buddies.
That sword.
Oh, yeah, man. I gotta get it. I got to get it. I need some minis, though. Or not. How about we just go for the sword? Am I? I am. You're right, bro. I should be going this way, right? Oh, there it is. Yeah, Doubles, stop making fun of me, all right, bro? Don't do it. Don't you do it. Don't do... Well, yo, what's up with this vehicle, bro? I don't want to make any noise. I want to, like, just be nonchalant, you know? Some nonchalantness over here. Should be nearby, right, bro? You know what I'm going to do, bro? There's a head pot right there. Finally, bro. Come on, bro. Give me that. Give it to me, baby. I'm just saying. Woo! Mobility. We like mobility, baby. We like it. Ooh, look. Everything is here, bro. Everything is here, Doubles. Everything is over here, my friend. Give me some of that loot, baby. Ooh-wee. Come on now. Go, uh-oh. I'm walking in. I'm moving. I'm grooving. I'm walking out. What happened? Bye. Bye-bye. I'm out of 5,000. Oh, what happened to the storm, bro? Yeah, what? I got caught in the storm, dude. What happened? Yeah, what happened, bro? Bro, I got caught in the freaking storm, dude. What's going on? No, I need those, bro. I need them. Ooh, I want this too. I want this. I want it. I want a cap off. I don't like when I got like a little bit of things sticking out there like that, you know? You know what I'm saying, Doubles? Come on, medkit. Come on, medkit. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Come on now. Medkit. Medikit it. Let's go, baby. Hello. Oh, I messed up, bro. Look, I messed up. I know, I messed up, bro. Sometimes I do crazy stuff, bro. I'm just saying. Sometimes I do some crazy stuff, bro. I make mistakes, bro. You know?
Grab that laser gun. Grab that.
I need this thing right here, bro. Oh, no. I don't want that. I don't want that. Come on, bro. Hold on. I'm gonna get some. Oh, I want that. Yes, sir. I want that. Yes, sir. All right, let's get out of here, bro. Here we go. All right. Doubles. All right. I wasted my impulse grenade. I don't know, bro. Pop it, baby. Pop it. No, leave me alone. Leave me alone, Storm. Oh, I like that, bro. I think I should take that now. Yeah, I think I will. All right. What happened over here, bro? Hi, how you doing? How the stonks doing, DBL moms? I need some stonk love over here. You know what I'm talking about? We need some stonk love over here. I tell ya. Ooh. Wow. Doubles. Wow. Now, my question is, these canisters, are they just shield, or are they more than just shield? You know what I mean? That's it? Is that it? Is that the whole story? All right, let's go over here. All right. Oh, dude, I have like no ammo, bro. What the heck? I just realized that. Yo, I hate when I don't pay attention, bro. What is this? Nothing. Shooting over there. I don't know. I need to get some heals, bro. Or maybe I need to get involved. See something, say something, right, bro? See something, say something, bro. But I'm like smack in the middle, and I don't like that. Anything over here? No, nothing. Yep, right there. He's right there, bro. You know what? I feel like I should... He has no idea I'm here, bro. Somebody shooting at me, though. Hollywood, baby! Hello, Hollywood! Hello, baby! Hello! Oh, migration. My goodness, bruh. Why not, doubles? Why not? What am I looking at? A drops right there. Alright, maybe. Doubles. Why not, bruh? Why not, bruh? Ooh, enemy. Did you see him? There's enemy over here somewhere, doubles. Right over there. There's an enemy right there. I tell you. I'm gonna take height on him. How about that, bruh? How about it? There he goes. There he goes. There goes that critter. There he goes. Oh my. Oh, migration. Ooh. It's two of them, bruh. There's two of them, you know that, right? Doubles. Woo! Let's get the ship on it. Let's get 600 doubles. 600, baby. Let's go. I feel like I should go back and mess with them. You know, they weren't good players. I know what I mean, bro. I feel like I should go back and play, but I gotta reload first. Let's go. Let's reload. Reload. What do you think, doubles? Yeah, we're gonna check it out, you know? We'll see what's going on. Say hello, how you doing? What's going on? What's happening? What's going on over here? Oh wow, look at him. He was like sweaty as... I can't say it, but you know what I'm saying, right? He was building up and all that nonsense, bro. I don't know, bro. I don't know. He was being nasty, bro. He was being nasty, bro. Bruh. He was being nasty, I tell you. Nasty boy. Somebody's shooting over there, bruh. Bruh. Let me get my Benzini first. I feel like I should push. How many people are left? 11, bro? 11, right? Doubles. Double trouble, baby. Oh my, look at this. What is all this? Let's take some height, bro. No? What do you think, bro? Let's take some height? No? Why not? They're playing out in the open. Why not? Where are they? Oh, right there, bro. I have no ammo, bro. Watch this. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! What do you think, doubles? Oh, he's right there, bro. But my gun's not loaded, bro. My gun's not loaded. Oh, he shot my wheel. What a creep, bro. What'd I do to you, man? There's somebody right there, too. Look, with another vehicle. There's another vehicle over there, bro. Oh, my. Yo, what did he do? He shot my rear tire out, bro. What a creep. Bro, what's going on, I still have no ammo, bro. All of that, and I got no ammo. You believe it? I'm screwed. I got no ammo, dude. I got no freaking ammo, bro. No bueno, no bueno, no bueno. Doubles, no ammo. I need to mercantile somebody and get some ammo. Let me just keep moving, bro. I gotta try to get some. I need some AR, bro. Somebody over there. Come on. I think somebody's here, but I gotta do it. Nothing I can do, bro. I got no AR. I got no AR ammo, dude. This is crazy. Somebody's here. There goes an AR. 26. Come on, give me some AR. Nothing. Nothing, honey. Come on now, fella. I got a little bit of an AR, little bit. Ooh. Bye-bye, toodaloo. Toodaloo, ma-da-da-la. Ooh. I can't really waste this too much. I gotta get this guy. Ammo, bro. Come on, give me some AR. Give me some AR, baby. There's somebody here, bro. Come on now, fella. Bada binga. Toodaloo, motherfucker. Oh.
said the word of the day.
I didn't say a word. I didn't say anything. I did not say anything. You didn't hear me.
Naughty.
Bye-bye. Oh, no. What'd I do, bro? I did, right?
Yeah.
No, I messed up. I messed up, doubles. I goofed a little bit. I did. Ooh, wait a minute, I gotta go. I gotta go. Don't go. What happened? Come on! Bro. Come on now. Give me some of that juicy juice. Give me some of that juicy juice. Give it to me. Give it to me. Come on now. Come on now. Oh no! No more of that, huh? Oh no! Yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo! Let's give it a little laughy laugh. Let's go. Let's go, bro. By the hair of my chinny chin chin doubles. I just out-survived him. I didn't beat him. I out-survived him. But the win's a win for the Indelible Tribe. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Now it's time to look at some Stonkosaurus Rexes, bro. It's time, bro. Let's go. We got the dub for the community. It wasn't pretty, but I got it. I'm doing it with, yo, I totally changed my entire sensitivity. I'm a hot mess, bro. But I still got the dub. Still got it, bro. Still got it. Go back to lobby. I want to see what happened to him. He had to have gotten caught in the storm or he fell, right? He panicked. If he only knew I had no mats left, bro. If he only knew. Right, doubles? Right? If he only knew that I had no mats left, bro. He would say to himself, what did I do? What did I do? Oh. I had a non-PG moment in there. I got caught in the moment, doubles, you know?
Caught in the moment.
Damn, bruh. Damn, bruh. Damn. Got caught in the moment. Let's get a share party going on. We're looking at WHLR. Independent sub VWAP needs to get above VWAP. VWAP $6. $6. Who was this guy that we eliminated over here, bro? Who was this? That's us right here, right? Oh, it was this cat, right? We should slow this down a little bit, maybe. All right. Ooh, wee, ooh. It was this fella right here. It was this fella right here. trying to run away. Bada bingo. Oh, dude, there was somebody in that bush, bro. Bro, there was somebody in that bush, bro.
Wow.
What happened? Wait, it says I eliminated somebody. Who did I eliminate, bro? Oh, this guy. Yeah, him. Yeah. Yeah. Diabolical, yo. It was diabolical. Diabolical, I tell you. Diabolical, baby. All right, where's how many people are left in this thing? Let's go over here. Let's go to endgame. Let's see what was going on with him. What was going on with him? Bro, if he only knew. Bro, if he only knew. He kept climbing. Look at him. Bro, he didn't even realize that I was out of mats, bro. He had no... And then he was out of mats. I bet you he ran out of mats, bro. Ah, he ran out of mats, bro. He ran out of mats, bro. Oh, yeah, my heart bleeds for him, bro. Dummy. You big dummy. You big dummy.
You had the high ground and you still fumbled it,
man. Man, yeah, but he was caught in the storm. He was too busy building, bro.
Oh, see
he wasn't paying attention.
See what happens when you pay too much attention to building?
You know what I'm saying? You know? And you know what it is also, Doubles, you know, like I didn't even have my sense or like I'm not even used to this new sense at all. At all, bro.
Wow.
You know? Yeah, bro. So you could see like I'm having difficulty placing my pieces and stuff because I'm not used to it yet. Yeah. It takes a little while to get ready, you know, get used to that stuff. Anyway, let's take a look at WHLER. So anyway, it's sub VWAP. It's in a pennant. It needs volume. We got 34 minutes before power hour. We have indecisiveness with the RSI, but it's trying to break upward, which is good. We could see that the volume candles are diminishing. That's normal. Again, we got power hour still a good solid 33 minutes away. So there's still a lot of time. It's currently up 79%. The beauty of this stock is it's only 637,000 shares and it has 78 million in volume. The downside of this stock is it has a history of pumping up and dropping, pumping up and dropping, pumping up and dropping. So it's a scary stock to trade because of that. You know what I mean? But it did go up quite a bit today. And yeah, that's the story. That's the story with it. WHLR. TGL. Let's take a look at this one. All right. So we did our little doubles. Wow. Look at what happened, bro. It ended up. Wow. It actually ended up curling. It broke. Let's give it a circle. We don't need it anymore. It broke the downtrend and actually moved up, but it did all of this on very light volume. So this is really still a very Trichosaurus type of a stock. It's currently up 274%. It's a 12 million float, 12 million volume. So it's moving on light volume. And now we could get rid of this, but now it has a potential of a double top over here, so it could be pulling back, which it actually did. And because there's gaps here, this suggests that the stock moved in rapid movement and halted, right? So it becomes very difficult to trade. And the last volume candle is a big, nasty red candle. So we don't like that. It looks like the stock probably halted. Let's go ahead and put a level of resistance is where it's at. The resistance level is right here where the double top is. And it's got to break that resistance. And again, it is a $25, almost $26 stock. Now it's down to $22.90. So it's an expensive stock and it's moving on light volume. So it's kind of scary. You know what I mean? Doubles, it's kind of scary. It's scary to me. You know what I mean? GURE. GURE breaks the downtrend. So let's get rid of this downtrend line because it broke the downtrend. Remember, we can let these stocks simmer a little bit, Doubles, you know, as we got the victory royale for the indelible pride, because that's what we do for our team, baby. That's what we do. That's what we do. So it's curling ever so slightly. Let's give it a Fibonacci retracement so we have some key levels of support and resistance, Doubles. Why not? Why not? Why not? They're impotent. So right there, so one resistance area is going to be the VWAP at $11.10. Another resistance area would be $12.61, and then of course $15.75. Support would be the 9 EMA, which is at about $9.40, and then of course the Fibonacci retracement at $8.20. So we need to see whether or not GURE, GURE, gets volume love or not. SPHL popped up on the scanner. Let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at it. And ladies and gentlemen, you're checking out the custom scanner on the Discord server. Our Discord server includes multiple custom scanners, including the market mover scanners, as well as the breakout momentum scanners, as well as other features like search features for news, filings, and much, much more. And of course, the crowd favorite, people love it, the early watch list that we put out at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday, for the next day's potential runners. And almost always there's 1 to 4 stocks that run parabolic from the early watch list. Can't guarantee it, but it happens quite a bit. Okay, so there's a link in the description and in the pinned comment to go ahead and do a 4-day trial for $9.99, so you can check out the community. If you need any help with any of the tools or any of the stock, we have a feature where you could ask questions, and we're glad to help you out. All right, so go ahead and click that link. There's a lot of educational information in there. It's good, bro. You know, it's the type of server I wanted when I started out. You know what I mean? So we made it for people that are starting out and need resources to help them out. And it's not just for people that just started out. For anybody. I mean, you know, you got a full scanner that works pre-market, regular hours, and after hours, provides you with float and volume. It gives you the news. It gives you the press releases. It gives you the filings. It gives you a bunch of other data as well. And we're there to help you out. We'll explain a lot of the stuff to you as well if you need any kind of help with it. So go ahead and click that link. All right, so that's the story with that. Let's take a look at the stock. It looks like it's forming what appears to be a cup and handle bull pattern, but you can see that it's moving on very light volume. That's disconcerting. It is a low float stock, though, so I'm going to pay attention to it, because the float on this ticker, SPHL, is only 627,000 shares. Right now, the volume is 314,000 shares. Let's see if there's any news. Can you look it up for me? SPHL. Let's see if there's any news on it. Let's see. Let's see. Any news? I know we got earnings in 11 days. That's not really anything. That ain't really nothing. What is that? What is that? Anything?
Halted. News pending. December 1st.
Okay, that's November 1st. It was a halt. Okay. Anything else? No, nothing. It did a reverse split. Okay, it did a reverse split. Okay. All right. So price action usually drops after a reverse split, but this is a micro float stock. So if it gets some volume love, baby, it could be schmexy. So I'm going to keep it on my radar, doubles. I'm going to keep it on my radar. It's up 36% at the moment. 36% at the moment, doubles, at the moment. You know what I mean? So we're going to keep an eye on that one. How about ALMS? Let's take a look at AMLS. ALMS. See, remember we said that the stock looked like it was going to start pulling down. It did. But you know what? It's still on a general uptrend. It is very separated between the 9 EMA and the VWAP. That's usually an indication that it needs to pull back. There's a lack of volume, obviously, since we're still before pre-market, before power hour. And we could see that the RSI is coming down from being overbought, which is a signal that it might be losing some momentum, but it's currently up 31% and it's still on a general uptrend. So we'll keep an eye on that fella. But it is a 30 million float stock. Bless you, doubles. It's a 30 million float stock and there's only 3 million volume. So yeah, that's the story with that one. Toro. Toro. It's trading higher because the company reported a year-over-year increase in Q3 financial results, and it gave $1.75 per share dividend. But it formed what appears to be a double top, but now it's trying to break out of that double top. So let's be positivity about it. Let's give it some positivity. Let's get rid of that. And what really is going on at this point is it's channeling just above the VWAP, which is okay as long as some volume comes in and it breaks out of that channel, doubles. You know what I'm saying? Channel time, baby. Come on now. The 9 EMA is stacked above the VWAP. That's good. The RSI is trying to move upward. What's lacking in this equation is a lack of volume. But again, 26 more minutes before power hour. Let's get a share party. Let's get to 800 as we go through these stonks. This is the power portion of Power Play. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to the show, Power Play is when we decompress from the morning by playing some Fortnite and getting dubs for the community like the last one I got for y'all. Y'all my peoples. You're my people, so I got to get dubs for you. And I did it when my sensitivity changed. I'm just saying, that's how hard I was trying. Not that I was a try hard, but I tried hard. I tried hard, and I got it. I got it, doubles. That's sword, doubles?
That's sword, though.
That's sword, though, you know? That sword with the jetpack, bro?
The movement.
The sword with the jetpack, bro?
The movement.
Oh, my goodness gracious. It's phenomenal. Phenomenal. Look at this. Look at this. Look. T-O-R-O trying to move up. Look at that. Look at that. It's almost forming like an irregular double bottom. An irregular double bottom. It's a heavier floated stock at 11 million. It only has 13 million in volume. But we'll see what happens with it. We'll keep an eye on it. Let's go to TDIC. This ran earlier in the morning. And look, bro, I'm not going to say nothing, but it's trying to get itself ready to challenge the VWAP. So we need to see it break through the VWAP, bro. VWAP, the VWAP, which is right over here at around 20, what is it? About 44 cents. 44 cents. So hopefully it'll break through the VWAP. All right, so that's what's going on with these tickers. We'll keep an eye on this little cheapo joint right here. What's the story with it? All right, the story with this ticker TDIC, the company announced it entered into an $18 million equity purchase agreement, and that's what made it go parabolic. But you could see it had a couple of top tails over here, and it ran out of juice. This was all pre-market, and then it started to sell off, but now it's trying to come back to life, and we can see that the RSI is pushing upward, and we're currently 24 minutes away from power hour, so hopefully it'll get some power hour love. Doubles, what do you think? Let's get that share party going on. That's TDIC. Trying to form a cup and handle. All right, so those are the tickers that we looked at for now. Let's put them all on high heat, doubles. High heat. Let them simmer a little bit. Let them cook. Let them cook a little bit. WHLR, WLA. Oh, it's breaking out of the pennant.
Breaking out of the pennant.
All right. So that's the story. This one's got a pennant, so hopefully it'll break out of the pennant, right? It's trying to break out of the pennant. It's got resistance at 6 even. 6 even is the VWAP, baby. So it's got to break through $6. $6, baby. $6. Got to break it. Break it to make it, baby. Break it to make it. Just saying. Right, doubles? Let's go. All right, let's get the Dubosaurus Rex for the community. Let's get that Dubosaurus, doubles. Let's get that shit. Dubosaurus Rex. We need another dub, right, doubles? Peoples, if you just jumped into the stream, I just want you to know I'm playing this game to get a victory royale for the indelible tribe. That would be you guys, okay? Yes. And I'm doing it on brand new sensitivity, and I also changed the DPI on my mouse. For your non-gamers, it just basically means I wrecked my world because I changed everything around, and I'm trying to get used to it. Yeah. So you're going to see movement that's like over-exaggerated one way or another because I'm just not used to the new settings on my computer, my computadora. But I still got the dub because I got it like that. You got it like that? I got it like that. Yeah, I got it like that. Got to get the dub for the community, bro. Got to do it. They're discerning. The Indelible Tribe is different. They're special. They're disconcerting. And I look pretty. Look how pretty I look with my crown, bro. Yo, get away from me. Get away from me, fool. I got my crown, yo. I can't hang out with you, you little peasant, you little peasant. Get out of here, you little peasant with a pitchfork. I'm gonna mess you up. Come here, 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 peasant. Come here, peasant. Come here, peasant. Oh, why not? Why not? That guy's annoying, bro. Bro, what is your problem, bro? What is your problema, bro? What's your problem, bro? You want some more headshots? Come on. Come on, you want some more? How about that, bro? How about this guy likes getting shot at, bro? Come on now. He got hit with the thumbstick, bro. He got hit with the thumbstick, bro. I'm gonna go over here, bro. Oh my god. Oh migration. Oh migration. I'm going to the RV park. Going to visit some friends. Let's go. TGL up 273%. GURE up 102%. WHLR up 81%. Needs to break $6, bro. Needs to break that VWAP at $6. $6, baby. $6. $6. I'm gonna keep an eye on these fellas. Make sure they're cooking right. Got the stove set just perfectly for them, doubles. You know what I mean? Perfectly. Perfectly, I tell you. Perfectly. It's beautiful. I'm beautiful. You're beautiful. We're beautiful. We're both beautiful, right, doubles? We're beautiful. We're beautiful, doubles. We're beautiful. Oh my. Look at that. Somebody here, doubles. Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Right there. Where's the beef, Barrow? Where's the beef? That was kind of easy. What's the story with that guy? Shotgunned? That sounds like probably not a real player, I would say. Maybe not. Maybe not. Perhaps. 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 Perhaps not. A pistol. Why not? We take the pistol. We could take the pistola. Why not? Why not? Why not? We could do that. Oh my. Oh my, doubles. Oh my. How about some shield, man? How about some shield? Alright, we can do that. Why not? Why not? Oh, dude. No way, bro. Look. It's there again, bro. Bro, you know I gotta go for it, right? Yeah, I'm gonna go for it, bro. Why not, bro? We gotta have it, bro. That's so... Oh, somebody's shooting at me, bro. Somebody being a fool. Oh my. I don't know who he is or what it is, but I took care of business. I took care of some business, bruh. He messed with the horns and he got the bullet. No, what's that saying? What? I don't know. You know what I'm talking about, bro. You know what I'm talking about, doubles. You mess with the bull. I don't know. I got some crappy weapons, bro. We need that sword, bro. That sword can make me a happy camper, bro. I'm just saying. Right, doubles? Somebody's here, bro. That's why I changed the sense, doubles. That's why I changed the sense, my brother. You understand? Do you understand why I changed it now, doubles? Critter. Let's go get this over here. Let's get it. Let's get it, bro. Let's get it. 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 Right, doubles? Did you see that, bro? Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Wow. Wow. Bye-bye. Oh, man. Dude, wait a minute. It made me leave my AR over there. What's going on? That's not good. I don't know.
Oh, you mean the sword?
Yeah, I lost. I messed up, dude. Alright, don't matter. I got a decent AR. It's okay. I did goof. I did goof. I did. It's alright. No biggie. No biggie. I'll find a new one. Don't matter. Ooh. Uh-huh. I need some of that blue stuff right there. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. AR. Or not. Maybe not. Maybe not. Perhaps not. Perhaps not. Dude, I got a lot of mobility. I'll tell you that much. I don't need all this mobility, but it's all good. It's all good in the hood. What is this? Oh, okay. Ooh. 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 Double two. Alright. Alright. I don't have the best AR because I kind of messed up a little bit, but it's alright. We'll get something. We'll get something. Uh-oh. Ah, it looked like the game was freezing. That would have been annoying, Doubles. I don't like that. I don't like that, Doubles. I don't like it. I'm gonna go to the canyon, bro. I'm going to the canyon, bro. I am. Let's see what's going on over here. Let's check it out. What stonks are moving? TGL moving 304%. What's going on over here, fella? Now let's see what we got over here, Doubles. Anything? Anybody here? I don't see nobody. That makes me nervous, bruh. Bruh, makes me nervous. You know what I mean? Hello, anybody home? Hello? Why not? I had the green one, but I kind of messed up, Doubles. Somebody's here, bruh. Come on, fella. Come over here. Come here, fella. He's up top, bro. Come on, come in. Come on, baby. Come in here. They're outside, bro. He's outside, bro. Oh, okay, you got it, bro. He's outside, you know? You know what, bro? I'm just gonna get myself out of here. No, we don't want that, bro. I don't want that. I don't want that. Let's get inside. Let's get a share party. What the heck's going on over there? I feel like I should be a part of that. I feel like I should be a part of that. I don't know. Should I be a part of that? Let's see. Let's go. What's going on over here? What's going on over here? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's get at that ship party. Let's go to 1100. Let's go. Oh, they were right there. That's where they're at. Yeah, we want that. Why not? All right. Gotta get inside the zone. I got mobility for days, but I don't really need mobility for days, do I? I don't need it. I don't want it. Enemies? Enemy, enemy, enemy! Right there, bro. Let's get out of here, bro. I need ammo. I need ammo, bro. I need ammo! Why am I always in shambles, bro? The heck? Doubles! Where you at? Where you at, Doubles? Where's the beef? DBL Nix, where you at? Let's go. I don't know. I need some advice, bro. I got no ammo. I got no shield. I know, bro. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, bro. I need to mercantile somebody, bro. I need to mercantile, bro. I know, I'm trying to find people. There's like nobody here, bro. I'm scouring, I'm scouring. Let's get a share party going on. Let's share it up, let's share it up, let's share it up. I'm looking for opportunities, Doubles. I don't see nothing. Ah, look, right there. There's a thingy over there. Somebody's landing on me, Doubles. They're landing on me. I tell ya.
Well, you said you wanted to find someone. Here you go.
No! Oh my goodness, this guy's terrible, bro. You did. Bye-bye! Out of mats, bro. This guy messed me up, bro. I know, I need this, though. Oh, no. Let's go, baby.
That med kit.
I'm getting pushed, bro.
Take as much of it as you can.
I'm okay. I need this. That's not what I needed. I know, Doubles. I know. Gosh. Oh, migration, bro.
You also realize you have a med kit, right?
I do.
Yeah.
I do.
Alright.
I'm okay on mats. Now I need some help.
Find some help.
Ooh, right there, bro.
There you go, see? That's gonna show us. Grab that health. Grab that health.
I'm doing it. Where'd it go?
You box yourself in. You gotta get out. Other way. There we go. Yeah.
All right. Yes, man. Yes, boy. Yes, boy.
You might want to just leave the shockwave grenade.
Nah.
You already have enough.
That's what I need right there. That's what I need right there.
Yeah. Wait, why'd you drop your shotguns?
I don't know. I got nervous, bro.
Don't get nervous. Just grab.
I don't know. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I'm nervous.
Shockwave grenade ain't useful compared to it. Med kit is way more useful. You're more of a med kit.
I'm not used to my settings, bro. It's messing me up, bro. No, but my settings are messed up. No, my settings are messed up, Doubles. I am building too much because my settings are messed up.
Well, it's not doing that.
I want to win for the indelibles.
You will.
The indelibles. How many people are left, bro? 4?
You got 2. 1v1.
Somebody right here, bro. No. Is it? That's why I did what I did, bro. Doubles!
What do you mean double?
Doubles!
Wow.
Wow, I got wrecked. I got wrecked.
You see what happens? You gotta be calm.
I gotta do a little more practice with the sensitivity.
Acting all so calm.
I do, but I look at this, look. WHLER broke out of the pennant 1.5 minutes before power hour. Come on, baby, get some volume. RSI moving up. Doesn't have the volume candles yet, but we're getting close to power hour. 1.5 minutes before power hour. Let's take a look at TGL. TGL, let's get that shit party going on. TGL keeps moving up off of the low volume. I don't trust this particular ticker because it's moving on low volume. SMX is an expensive stonk. Double top, not really doing much of anything. A bearish pattern. GURE, which one?
What was that one that you said before? XLS?
Which one? SMX, the heavy one that was double topped? Yeah. SMS was a double top. SMX was a double top.
Okay.
Bear pattern. GURE, no bueno, no bueno, no bueno. sub VWAP, TDIC, TDIC. Trying to make a cup and handle, but it's below VWAP. Can't trust that. Can't trust that. SPHL. I want to see how that one's doing, because I was hoping volume would help it out a little bit. Let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at it. SPHL. Okay, still moving on up on light volume. Still moving on up light volume. Not particularly schmexy. Sober, SOBR. SOBR. Let's go sober. Let's get sober. Sober. Moving on light volume. Not particularly schmexy. Toro. Still in that channel, doubles. Still in that channel. Got to break out of that channel. Toro. LICN. Lichen International Limit. Above VWAP. Not moving with a lot of volume. 16 million volume. 16 million float. Heavy float. 476,000 volume. Not enough volume. Float's too thick. WHLR. Breaking out of the pennant needs to keep moving. Let's get that. Go to feedy pencil activated. I want to use the arrow, bro. Come on. Inspiration, doubles. Why not? A little inspiration for this fella. Come on now. It's above VWAP. We like that. We get rid of the VWAP. There we go. It's above VWAP. Hold VWAP. Get volume. Keep moving. Keep grooving. Pump it, baby. Come on. Get that volume pulsing through your veins. I tell you, WHLR, come on now. Do it. Y'all can do it, I tell you. Do it, baby. Get some volume on that. All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button at Coach Money. And also, we're also on X.com, a.k.a. Twitter, at Coach Money. At Coach Money. And, of course, Facebook, Instagram, and Threads, at Coach Money. Twitch, at Coach Money. And, of course, we're on TikTok at DBL Nicks. DBL Nicks, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money. And, of course, if you want to check out an incredible Discord with a lot of powerful educational tools, powerful scanners for market movers, as well as parabolic breakout scanners, and you want access to the news about the stock so that you know what the catalyst is, you want to have access to the press releases and the filings and much more. And of course, you want that early watch list that we give at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday during after hours for the next day, where almost always there's 1 to 4 stocks that run parabolic the next day. Yeah, that one. If you want that, the link's in the description or in the pinned comment for a 4-day trial for $9.99. Check it out with your own eyes. Ladies and gentlemen, I call y'all indelibles because you're awesome. Right? And I want you to achieve all your goals and aspirations and your wildest dreams. And I want you to be inspirational to others. And I call you indelibles because I want you to leave your mark and make sure that mark is unerasable, a.k.a. indelible, baby. You are the indelible tribe. We love you. You guys are awesome, incredible, amazing. You make this all possible, and we appreciate it. I hope we made you laugh a little bit. I hope you got some good information and helpful information. Yeah. And have a wonderful weekend. And be greenable, baby.